Hey gang, I'm back. Dale Creed Francis, co-host of Financial Fortitude Radio Network. This is another segment here of the Fortitude Nation, sort of the membership part of it, that you can always get these updates. And the Economic War Report for the show was "There's Something Happening Here." Now, that's the Buffalo Springsteen song. Our producer Anna picked that music for the show because there's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. Our point was that the Dow index is a terrible representation of the stock market. It's outdated. The Dow presents risk to investors due to how its 30 stocks are weighted. So the problem is that it's very skewed. The S&P 500 is not even a great depiction of what's going on in the stock market, but the Dow is a horrible indicator. And so it creates this false sense for investors of what they're doing. You can see the Dow achieving regular new highs. You can see that on the news. But what does it really mean to you? Not a lot. And the problem is that too many investors don't realize that they could have done something different until it's too late. Don't let that happen to you again. So what is the Dow? Well, it depends on how you slice it. We did a chart. If you want this chart, just get a hold of us, send it to info@financialfortitude.com. We'd be happy to give it to you. But in general, here's what the Dow represents for you. 7 stocks make up over 42% of the total weight of the Dow. 7 of the 30. Now, there's only 30 in the entire index, which is ridiculous. And if somebody's a dog in that, what they do is replace them, put somebody new in, makes the Dow seem stronger. But you think about that. 7 stocks make up 42% of the weight. So the problem here is that it doesn't really give you any insight into the stock market in general. The Dow is not influenced by the stock market, as we said on the show, as much as it is the current beneficiaries of the Dow's quirky stock market weighted scheme. So if you want that chart, go ahead and get a hold of us. Again, the final sort of point that we made in this Economic War Report of "There's Something Happening Here" is that, as you'll see, the Dow is really a horrible depiction for the overall index. The chart shows that it's very clear, and I'll leave you with this investor's creed for this particular segment. Keep your eyes out for what is not obvious about the current market rally. It will serve you well when the unraveling eventually occurs. Again, thanks for watching. Dale Creed Francis and Ryan Litfin, as always, for Financial Fortitude, not just exposing the problems, but providing the solutions.